Hello everyone, I'm Alyssa D. Marimla from Math 3A. For today's video, I will show you a real-life scenario under the topic of one-to-one and onto function. From exercises 3.3, I will show you on how a real-life scenario can be done in one-to-one and onto function. One-to-one but not onto, onto but not one-to-one, and also neither one-to-one nor onto function. Now, one-to-one and onto function. We have here our sets of A and B. From our domain set A is the set of researchers, and codomain set B is the set of a thesis title. From domain A, we have researcher 1, 2, and 3, and codomain B, we have thesis title, and these are effect of socioeconomic status to student performance, factors contributing perceived math anxiety, and readiness of student to entrance exam. As you can see here, researcher 1 is assigned to factors contributing perceived math anxiety. Researcher 2 is assigned to effect of socioeconomic status to student performance, and researcher 3 is assigned to readiness of student to entrance exam. It is one-to-one function since all elements of codomain has assigned to exactly one element of domain. And it is onto function because all elements from codomain has an image or assigned to element of domain. Therefore, this problem is a one-to-one and onto function. Next is the one-to-one but not onto function. Here's the set of x and y. Our domain here is the set of trees, which are mango, cherry, and maple. And our codomain is the set of color of leaves. As you can see, here mango is assigned to green, and cherry is assigned to pink, and maple is assigned to orange. It is one-to-one because all elements from domain has an image to codomain. But it's not onto function because one element from our codomain, which is blue, has no pair to our domain. And if you recall the onto function, it is stated that all elements from y or codomain has an image from our x or domain. Now onto but not one-to-one function. Here we have sets. M is set of person, and N is set of civil status. Here are the set of M. We have elements Alyssa, Christian, Jezreel, Jason, and Joy. And set of M, which is the civil status, we have single, married, and widowed. As you can see, it is onto function because all elements in codomain has an image to our domain. Single is an image of Alyssa and Jason, married is an image of Christian and Joy, and widow is an image of Jezreel. However, it is not one-to-one since Alyssa and Jason is assigned to element from our codomain, which is the single. It is example of many-to-one function. Lastly, neither one-to-one nor onto. We have here sets of M and N. Set M, which is customer, and set N are items. Our elements in our set M are Mrs. Santos, Mr. Cruz, Ms. Gomez, Mr. Dizon, and Mrs. Lopez. And our elements in our set N are cell phone, shirts, bedsheet, bag, and mouse. It is neither one-to-one because the elements in our domain is assigned to one element of codomain, which are Mrs. Santos and Mrs. Lopez, are assigned to cell phone, and it is many-to-one function. However, It is nor and onto function because one of the element in our codomain mouse has no image in our domain. So it is neither one-to-one nor onto function. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.